Welcome to checkoverite.net. In this video, I will once again be showing you how to crack a very important software on your computer, which is Kaspersky Total Security, and as well as other packages that Kaspersky has. So as you can see, my license here has expired, and that's a good side. So what we'll be doing is we'll be resetting the license to an initial point in time. Okay. So as you can see, my license has expired. So in this video, we'll be using a software I've provided in the description of the video for you to download, which is Kaspersky 2018 Ultra Illustrator 5.1.0.1. So, but before that, we need to, and also inside the zip file or the RAR file I've provided for you to download, there is an instruction there in case you are having issues following the instructions in the video. You can also help yourself with the instructions there in the zip file. So first, all we have to do is to get started with disabling this the protection. So as the screen of your antivirus software, then click on additional, then self-defense, and disable the self-defense so that it won't be interrupting our trial resetter. So after that, you close the Kaspersky application. Then locate the icon of Kaspersky on your notification area. Then right click on it, then exit. Wait for it to load. Accept. So all you have to do is exit the Kaspersky Total Security software. So the next thing you have to do is just to click on the reset activation, and if you like, you can save the activation as well. So in my case, I'll be resetting the activation. You wait for it to load for some seconds. It will exit the resetter and run the Kaspersky Total Security app again for you. So after running the resetter, you notice that the Kaspersky Total Security opens the activation screen immediately when the application is being launched by the resetter. So all you have to do is to click on the activate trial version of the application, as it has wiped the previous version register. So all you have to do is to activate the trial version by clicking that. Wait for some seconds, as internet connection at times might delay a bit. As you can see, we've successfully activated the total security, or reset it in other words. So if you have any questions regarding how to go on with this process, you can use the comment section or follow the instructions in the text file I've provided. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.